Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well. As we settle into the new year, I've been reflecting on how I can create a home and routines that support my future self. Every January, I like to do a reset where I clean my home, get organized, and set goals for the months ahead. This year, I want to be even more intentional about setting up my home and daily rituals in a way that feels even more inspiring and aligned with the life I want to create. As we move into the heart of winter, I also want my home to feel cozy and comforting and create a space that nurtures me during the colder months and supports my well-being all year long. So today, I want to bring you along with me and share some of the rituals and changes I'm doing to set the tone for the year ahead, and I hope that some of these ideas will inspire you to do the same. Whenever I'm doing a reset, I like to start by cleaning and organizing because I love this idea of clearing out the old energy in my home to make room for the new. For me, this usually looks like tidying up a bit, swapping out some of the decor around my home, and rearranging some of the areas that haven't been organized in a while. Instead of looking at cleaning as a chore, when I'm doing a reset, I try to approach things like washing the dishes or cleaning the kitchen counter with gratitude and the perspective that caring for my home is a form of caring for myself. Around this time of year, I usually find myself wanting to go out and buy a lot of things to make my home feel fresh and new. Even though I love treating myself to new home decor from time to time, I've been challenging myself to repurpose and rearrange things I already own first. It's amazing how just moving items around and using what I already own can make things feel fresh and new again without needing to buy anything. In the winter, I'm always wanting more color and more green, so I'm putting plants around the house and decorating with little pops of color. I got a new kitchen towel and these adorable flower spatulas as holiday gifts, and I'm so excited to finally put them out on display. These are the little things that just bring me so much joy whenever I see them. We're doing a self-love challenge over on Patreon right now, and I've been reflecting a lot on my relationship with myself. One thing I've realized recently is that even though I always put a lot of love and intention into the shared spaces in my home, I wasn't usually putting the same level of energy into the spaces and things that were only for me. I used to think, well, I'm the only person who's going to see this, so does it really matter? But I've realized that creating spaces that feel special just for ourselves is an act of love and care that we all deserve, and this is something I want to bring into my life even more this year. So today, I'm setting up some of my favorite winter skincare essentials, makeup and hair accessories, and little self-care items on my dresser. These are small things that make me happy and remind me to pamper myself. I'm also making a winter spa basket for the bathroom with brushes, some nice soap, and homemade bath salts. I love this idea of creating little self-care kits around the house. It's like doing something kind for my future self. One of my goals this year is to stop using my phone before I go to sleep, so I'm creating a screen-free bedside table with a book and an alarm clock instead of using my phone alarm. It's all about creating a space that supports my goals instead of working against them. I drink a lot of tea during the winter, so this year I wanted to make a little home cafe in my kitchen to make the experience feel even more special. Mine is focused on tea, but you can definitely make a coffee station or combine the two. The goal is just to dedicate an area of your kitchen to making your favorite cozy drinks this winter. I've had my mini apothecary cabinet since our first month at the cottage a couple years ago. It's one of my favorite parts of my entire home, and it's where I make tea blends and loose herbal tea. Today, I'm restocking the herbs and labeling the jars to make them a bit easier to organize. I'm also setting up a station with my favorite bagged teas, spoons, and mugs. I love the feeling of having an intentional space to make a hot drink and take a break on winter days without even leaving my home. Since I work from home, I can sometimes fall into the habit of staying in my pajamas all day during the winter, but I've realized that I feel so much better when I get dressed for the day. I'm also so much more likely to get ready when I don't have to spend a lot of time deciding what to wear. So I decided to put together a winter capsule wardrobe, or a sort of winter uniform that keeps me feeling warm, comfortable, and put together during the day. I'm putting together outfits with my coziest sweaters, comfy pants and maxi skirts, and warm socks, so all I have to do is open up my drawer and an outfit is ready to go. To keep me warm throughout the winter, I'm also setting out my fuzzy slippers and plush bathrobe and organizing a bin by the door with my hats and mittens so I can easily grab them before heading outside. I think anything we can do to keep ourselves more cozy and comfortable during the winter is always worth the effort. At the start of every year, I like to sit down and create a vision board where I can get in touch with what I want to do and who I want to become. I think it's so important to have fun and be creative with vision boards, so I'm going to print out some photos and decorate the page with stickers and washi tape. So I've gone through Pinterest and picked out some images that really inspire me and align with my vision, and I'm using my Sprocket mini printer to print out the photos. I'm arranging everything on the page and then writing out some affirmations that I really want to focus on this year. This is one of my favorite ways to connect with my goals and dreams. It's not just about planning, but also about creating a positive mindset and getting excited for what's to come. After I've completed my vision board, it's time for a big journaling session where I reflect on the past year, celebrate what I've accomplished, and set specific intentions and plans for the year ahead. Using my vision board as inspiration, I'm journaling about my dreams and who I want to become, and then I'm setting clear goals on what I want to do to get there. After journaling, I'm planning the month ahead by writing out what I want to accomplish this month, not only in terms of work, but also by making sure I'm dedicating time for my friends, family, and the things I love. So my friends, thank you all so much for joining me for this winter reset. I hope this video has inspired you to treat yourself with kindness as we start this new year. I'm sending you all a big hug, and I will see you soon. Goodbye, friends.